We can copy files from HDFS to local file system either by using copy to local or get command. HDFS DFS hyphen copy to local or HDFS DFS hyphen get, or we can also use Hadoop FS copy to local or Hadoop FS hyphen get to copy files or directories from HDFS to local file system. It will read all the blocks using index in sequence and construct the file in local file system. When I say it will read all the blocks using index, I am talking about the files in HDFS. When you use get or copy to local, if the target file or directory in the local file system already exists, then get will fail saying already exists. Let's get the help on get. We'll also get the help on copy to local in a moment. If you read through the details, it says copy files that match the file pattern source to the local name. So you can also use patterns rather than giving complete file name or folder name. However, source is kept, which means the files in HDFS will be as is. When copying multiple files, the destination must be a directory, which means you can specify multiple files or folders as source, and you can actually separate them using space. If you are copying multiple files or folders using space, the target has to be a folder. You cannot copy multiple files into one target file. That's the meaning of this. Passing -p preserves access and modification times, ownership, and the mode. Sometimes we might want to preserve the details about the files, which is also called as metadata, and that can be preserved using -p, which is the only option which is provided. These two additional options, ignore CRC and CRC, are related to checksum to confirm the file integrity. However, don't worry too much about it at this time as a developer. Now you can also say help on copy to local. It says it is identical to the get command. Now this will take care of copying the entire folder retail DB from HDFS to local home directory. First, let's list the folder retail DB in HDFS. You can see all the 6 subfolders here. Now if I say %% sh on local file system on folder home ITversity, you can see that there is no retail DB folder here. Now I am creating the folder. Now I can say Hadoop DFS-get /user/ITversity/retail DB /star. So whatever is there in retail DB, we are trying to copy to the local folder home ITversity retail DB. Let me run this, and also let me run this, and you can see the subfolders which are there in HDFS in the local file system. Now as the retail DB already exists, if I try to run this again, it will just fail. For each and every file, it is saying file exists. For those files which doesn't exist, it will copy. So it doesn't terminate on the first file itself. It will keep on trying copying until all the files and folders are tried. Whatever are not there will be copied. Whatever are there, it will just throw error saying file exists. Now this is an alternative approach where the folder and contents are copied directly. Let me delete the folder here. Now there is no retail DB folder in my home directory. This is not required. I don't know why I have these many ls-ltr commands. Probably accidentally I have copied these things. I am supposed to have the get command to get the files from HDFS to the local file system. I think I just have to copy this here. In this case, it will take care of copying all the files and folders into my target location. Let me run this, and the folder retail DB will be there along with the contents. You can validate by saying ls-ltr home ITversity retail DB /star, which means we are actually looking into the subfolders under retail DB, and you can see all the files as expected. So this is an alternative approach where we don't need to pre-create the retail DB folder and then copy. We can directly copy the files from HDFS into the local file system using this approach. We can also use patterns while using get command to get files from HDFS to local file system. Also, we can pass multiple files or folders in HDFS to get command. I have already covered when I explained the details as part of the output of the help on get. We are now trying to copy either by using patterns or by passing multiple files or folders to one target folder. Let me clean up retail DB folder here. Let me list the home directory. There is no retail DB folder. Let me create this folder. Now if I just wanted to copy orders and order items, I can say order star, which will copy orders as well as order items. Earlier we have used star where all the folders are copied. Now we are only trying to copy a couple of folders. Let me run this. Once it is run, I should be able to validate by saying retail DB here, and I should be able to see those 2 folders, orders and order items, which are copied because of this get command. Now let me copy departments as well as products folders from HDFS into home ITversity retail DB. This will take care of copying departments as well as products. Let's try one more time using customers as well as categories. and this will actually take care of copying 2 folders at a time. So you can also pass multiple folders or files like this to one target folder. As the final ls-ltr command output, you can see all the 6 folders as expected. So these are different ways to copy files or folders from HDFS into the local file system, either by using get command or copy to local command.